What is this place? The secret place you two are taking us. Pinocchio swap meet or whatever?
Well, it's kind of like Disneyland, but for adults. But yeah, Pomona, dude. Sweet. Pomona swap meet. It's been around. My dad used to take me there in the 70s.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I think the first Pomona swap meet I went to was like 1978. Anyway, there's a car show there. Basically, you can bring your car to show it or sell it. And there's a big car corral. You just park your car in there, and people walk by. If they like your shit, they buy it.
Oh, great.
There's a parade early tomorrow morning. There'll be a parade. And it's fun. You just get a cup of coffee and sit there and watch these cool ass cars. There's shitloads of them.
Well, so speaking of this, Steve calls and I'm coming down here to buy some cores and stuff, pick up stuff, and he's like, "Well, why don't you just come to Pomona with me?" So me and Scott are here going to Pomona with Merlin and Steve, and he says, "Well, just bring your sleeping bag and a CPAP machine or whatever you need to sleep." and so I'm like, "All right," I'm throwing some stuff in the truck, and I've got my air mattress and a couple blankets and pillows, and I get here and he's like, "No, we're taking this." And so I don't know how it's all gonna do for the 4 of us, but we're going for an 8-hour ride there and back.
We're gonna go to the.
So you'll see what we're taking.
Yeah, we're taking the swamp ass. I got us a little treat saved up out here.
It's gonna smell like swamp ass when we're done with it.
You got 4 dudes in there.
Search of Merlin?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
That's when you find the best shit.
My things find me.
Oh.
Something will speak to me. I'll be like, "Ooh, I gotta have that." Just shell out the money. If you come here looking for something, you'll be disappointed because you won't ever find it.
You just gotta roll up.
If you're looking for something, you gotta come to every swap meet religiously with your list and stay on it. But if you just come to have fun, you're gonna find all the stuff you need for all your projects, and it'll be reasonably priced and good stuff.
Well, and if they don't have it, then it makes you change what you were thinking for something you might.
Takes you a different direction.
Yeah, see, that's what I look at it as an adventure.
Hey Steve, you need to get a guitar.
Wow, that's a bit much for the swap meet. Does it there, bud?
Watch your step, Dustin. Keep your hands and arms in the vehicle at all times.
Here we go. Get in, Scott.
No spitting, no throwing.
What's the rest of the spiel?
You have
Please
to be
keep
this
your-
tall. Are you this tall?
Please. Oh yeah, we got to check the height. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got that.
How much do you weigh, sir?
Yeah, I'm probably overweight on this one.
Well, Scott will offset
Yeah,
you. So
we
we're gonna
should
let
be
you.
good.
We're gonna let you slide as long as you can get the safety bar on. Please attach the safety bar and prepare to depart.
So we got the VIP tour here. Steve and Merlin with WelderUp. They're got our own chariot here that we get escorted around the swap meet. Look, we can see it all.
It's noisy enough that we're gonna get all the
Look
attention.
at that trailer.
So the striper for the parking lot here just said, he just shared with us that it took 29 miles of painting equipment to paint the stripes that just do the parts. That doesn't include parking over here, the car corral, or the VW section. So this is a big swap meet.
So you got your walking shoes on?
Yeah, exactly. No, we're good. We got the riding shoes on here.
The riding
I got
shoes.
my walking shoes on. I'm ready.
Steve's in uniform. He's got them unlaced and everything. Coil box.
It's gonna be 80, 90, 100.
That's more than 100 years old. That's Henry Ford
Oh, it's cut away in the front.
stuff
That's
right
cool.
there.
Oh, look. So you can see this side of it. Yeah. Kind of a little stand.
Everybody's rolling in. Their vendors are starting to set up and all this
Got an air mattress here. Show us what you slept on there, Merlin.
$2 here and it's body. This is straight from the 70s, right? It was pretty comfy out there.
Dustin over here.
Pomona was pretty good for me. I've been looking for these hinges for a while, and I bought 11 of them for 80 bucks. Normally you pay about 80 bucks a piece. Model A door hinge. I also got this pretty cool little Model T coil. It's original Ford script. I'm sure it works. Pretty cool piece. I gave like 5 bucks for that. But this tailgate, that was the score. That was the score of the swap meet for me. I need one for a truck I'm building, and they're normally around 300, 400 bucks if you can find them with the hinges. Got that for 150 bucks, so pretty jazzed. It's a good swap meet all in all.
We're wrapping up the old Pomona swap meet here. We're getting ready to load Freak Show up and get out of here. But let me show you some of the cool stuff I got. My wife collects brass, so I buy this stuff here for her so that she lets me come to these events. Little bells. This is an actual cannon I found that supposedly you can prime it up and fire it. I don't know if I'll try that. Little drawer desk thing for my daughter and her jewelry. And I found this little guy here. It was just a cutaway, and I got it for 25 bucks. It's a cutaway, shows how the piston moves and the crankshaft and stuff. My son will make a lamp out of it or something, so that'll be kind of cool. And then I got these cool vintage trucks, toy trucks, that I got for my mantle. And yeah, I think I got the best deals right here.
Here's my movie reel.
Somebody gave him these headlights.
We got movie reel. This is probably from, I don't know, probably the 50s.
From a drive-in movie.
This is from a drive-in movie, actually. And the guy supposedly has the other one with film on it, so I'm gonna try to get that one from him too. But I thought that looked cool, like decor in my frickin' TV room.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You should have done
And yeah, so I got some of these lights. Some of these would look kind of cool hanging in the house. This one's kind of burnt, but that's all right. It's kind of cool. And there's something else. I got some hubcaps. I had this cool light. So you can basically use it as a spotlight. You hold the handle right here. This mounts on whatever you want, and then it turns back and forth. It's kind of bitching. I always love V8 Model A hubcaps. I have a lot of these wheels that go onto my Model A's. Man, to be totally honest with you, I didn't do good. I didn't buy a lot of shit, but it doesn't matter. What I'm here for is my friends, the camaraderie with our friends. Everybody here is super cool. The first one of these I came to, I think, was in 78 or 79 with my dad. He brought me here and like never forgot it. Like blew my mind at 7 years old.